Hi.
Hello.
Okay, look in your book. What's the title of this book?
The magic book. The kids are in danger.
Danger. Okay, what happened to them?
The dinosaurs followed and Nile.
Oh, really? Was it an interesting story?
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was. Okay, let's read the book. Ready, start.
Why did the dinosaurs come back with us? How did they come? I don't know. We have to save Yuri and Junsu. No, the dinosaurs are here. Junsu and Yuri are safe, but those kids aren't. Let's save them first. I will start running. The dinosaurs will follow me. You will help the kids climb up the tree. No, I will run. I'm faster than you. Okay, come and get me. Hey, climb this tree. You're in danger. Be quiet.
Good.